find that negativity is out there. You can't hide from it. You can't stop it. But what you can do is not allow it to crush you. To know, okay, you're attacking me, you're negative, you're like nitpicking at me, something's wrong in your life, and I'm not going to allow you to take it out on me. Goodbye. Don't allow it to get to you. Move on. Just move on from it. Look for the person who's going to give you the appropriate feedback, the feedback that's going to help you grow and flourish as a language learner. Somebody who's going to say, it's okay, we all make mistakes. Let's try doing it this way. My mother-in-law, she will be 60 soon. She learned sign language in her mid-50s, and she's fluent now. One of the things that helped her was having that language parent. That language parent just so happened to be her son. Ironically, they're like the roles were reversed. He was her language parent. And so he, even though it was his mom, wasn't afraid to correct her, but did so appropriately. She would sign, oh gosh, I don't even know how she did it. And I can't even believe her hands would do it, but she would sign match in a very weird way. Like, it didn't make sense in my brain. I'm like, how did you even, what? And so one day he's like, Mom, you need to do it this way. And she was like, what? And it wasn't, he never attacked her for it. He never was like, Mom, seriously, you can't, no, you didn't know. That's like a basic sign. Everybody knows. Why are you doing it that way? That's a very common thing to hear. Somebody be like, are you serious? Did you seriously just do that? I've heard it so many times. People have attacked me when I was first learning sign. Like, really? How did you not know that? Goodbye. So those kind of people exist. Find the ones who are going to be positive. It might take a little time. That's why these groups are so beneficial. Our Wednesday night groups that we have are so beneficial. This is a judgment-free zone. If anybody has ever judged you, let me know. But this is a judgment-free zone. There's no like, no, that's not right, or no, you need to be kind, respectful, patient. If you're teamed up with somebody who's a little advanced than you, and they're like, I think that sign's wrong, they should be correcting you in a very positive way, not in a way that makes you embarrassed or like, oh my God. For those who are in our Wednesday groups, we've been doing those for a while now. The group of people that we have in there are amazing. They're so good. The variety of levels. Maybe you'll find your language parent there. Maybe you'll find the person who you like getting feedback from, where you're like, you know what? Hey, can we like exchange contact information? Because I really like practicing with you. I think you can really help me out. Finding those people.